Hello, we're back. So, pagpapatuloy natin yung discussion natin on inequalities. And in particular, pag-usapan natin kung paano mag-solve ng inequalities with absolute value. So, meron tayong two cases. So, ang cases natin are absolute value of something is less than to a number. Absolute of value of something is greater than some number. So, pwedeng palitan yung less than ng less than or equal, yung greater than or equal to. So, yung didiscuss muna natin itong case na ito. Okay, so we have this. You have this expression. So, if the absolute value of an expression E is less than K, where K is positive lang lagi nandito na pag-usapan natin, pwede mong alisin yung absolute value. Just copy the expression inside. So, the expression inside must be between negative k and k. Or, equivalently, E is greater than negative k, and at the same time, E is less than k. So, pag nakita nyo itong expression na ito, magiging ganyan siya. So, E greater than negative k, E less than k. So, geometrically, pag dinrawing mo yon, this is your number line. This is your negative k to k. So, yung nasa loob nun, ito yung mga E. Andyan si E. Okay? And how do you get the solution set pag nasulat mo na ito? So, kukompute mo muna yung tag-isang inequality. So, dalawang inequality magagawa natin. And then, each inequality has a solution set. So, when you see the word and, you get the intersection of these two solutions. At paano pag pinalitan ko yung less than dito ng less than or equal, magkakaroon lang ng equality lahat. Okay? Tapos, ganun pa rin, kukompute mo yung bawat inequalities na to and then get the intersection of their solution sets. And geometrically, ang ibig sabihin nito is yung E mo nasa pagitan nito or pwedeng nasa endpoint siya. So, let us do one example. So, isusulat ko lang yung rule natin. Ano may rule natin? Absolute value ni E is less than equal to K. It means greater than equal to negative K and okay, where K is positive. K is positive dapat. K is positive. Okay, so, gawin natin itong pinakauna. So, meron kang, this is your E, and this is your K. So, yung absolute value ni x minus 1 less than or equal to 3, but epsilon 3. Ibig sabihin itong arrow na ito is the same as or equivalent to. Okay? So, is equivalent to x minus 1 is greater than equal to negative 3. And, mahalaga yung salitang and, isusulat lagi yun. X minus 1 is less than equal to 3. Okay? Then, kukompute mo lang yung bawat isa. So, x greater than equal to negative 3 plus 1 and x is less than 3 plus 1. So, x is greater than equal to negative 2 and x is less than equal to 4. Paano ko pala nalalaman kung naglalagay ako ng equal sign or arrow? Kapag itong mga arrow-arrow na yan, naglalagay ako niya kapag parang may sentence ka, the same as this sentence, the same as this sentence, etc. So, parang sinasabi ko na ito is the same as this one. Okay, so kukunin na natin yung intersection nung dalawa. So, yung numbers natin, negative 2 and 4. So, yung nauna, greater than negative 2. Kasali si negative 2. Ito naman, less than 4. Asa na intersection yan? Diba ito? Kasali si 2 tsaka si 4 kasi parehang, negative 2 tsaka si 4. Kasi parehang may point doon. Parehang may point doon. So, ang solution set nito ay negative 2, 4. Kopyahin nga natin to. So, gagamitin natin ulit yung itong ginawa natin. Very straightforward lang naman ito. So, kopyahin ko lang to So, x over x minus 2. So, ano yung e natin? This is our e. So, e greater than negative 1 greater than equal to negative 1 and x over x minus 2 is less than 1. So, i-compute natin yan. So, kailangan ko ng space kasi dalawang inequality yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag nagsasolve ka ng inequalities with absolute value, it will take time. Lalo na kung rational. Kasi tawag dito, mahaba siyang gawin. So, lipat natin sa kaliwa lahat. So, we get, combine na sa single fraction lalabas. Tama ba ito? Combine. Ito, nagko-combine ako dito, hindi ako nagko-cross multiply Pag sinabi nating bawal mag-cross multiply kapag across the inequality sign. Okay, tama naman yung pagka-combine ko. And then, compute for the critical numbers. Ano yung critical numbers? Magpapa-0 sa numerator is 1. Papa-0 sa denominator, 2. And then, table. And then, 2x minus, I need space. 2x minus 2 over x minus 2. So, 1, 2. Ito magsi-0 siya. And then, negative siya dito. Try 0. X equal to 0. Negative. So, positive siya sa right. Ayan. So, check nyo na lang ang mga by substituting. Okay? So, ito undefined kasi 0 yung denominator. So, ang gusto mo ditong mangyari, greater than or equal to 0. So, ang kailangan mo sa part na to ay ito. Which is, ang solution set dito sa first part, dun sa kalahating part pa lang, ay, ano yun? Negative infinity to 1 close union 2 to positive infinity. Hindi kasali si 2 kasi undefined siya. Kasali si 1 kasi 0 siya. Gusto mo greater than or equal to 0. So, eto, itatabi muna natin to. Mamaya natin kakailanganin yan. And then, dito naman tayo magfo-focus kung ano yung ginawa natin dito. Gagawin natin dito. So, x over x minus 2 minus 1 is less than equal to 0. Ano lalabas yan? Minus x plus 2. So, 2 over x minus 2 is less than 0. So, anong critical numbers nito? 2, diba? Sulat nga natin sa number line. So, meron tayong 2. Sulat na natin 2 over x minus 2. So, dito undefined siya. And then, plug in numbers. Sa left ni 2, let's say 0. 2 over 0 minus 2 is 2 over negative to negative. Kapag 3 naman, magpa-positive. So, gusto mo less than or equal to 0. So, ang hinihinging sagot dito ay itong part na to. So, ang solution set for this ay negative infinity to 2. Hindi kasali si 2. Clear ba yan? Okay, so tapos na natin i-solve individually. So, yung sagot dito is the intersection of this and this. Kasi ang conjunction natin is and. Pag and, intersection. Para hindi mahirapan, drawing ng number line. So, 1, 2. So, itong nauna, negative infinity to 1. Tapos, 2 to infinity. So, close dito, kasali to. Ito open. Hindi siya kasali. And then, yung isa naman, ito, negative infinity to negative 2. Negative infinity to negative 2. Hindi kasali si negative 2. And then, kukunin lang natin yung common sa kanila. So, yung intersection, so yung pinaka-solution set ng original problem, the solution set of this is the intersection of this. So, ano yung intersection nun? Ano yung common? Hanggang dyan lang, diba? At kasali si 1. Kasi may point dito, may point dito. So, common point nila yon. Dito wala ka namang point. Okay, so, negative infinity to 1, close si 1. So, that is the solution set. Okay, so parang tatlo yung kailangan mo solution set. Solution set nito, solution set nito, and then yung final solution set, which is the solution set of these two. Okay, punta naman tayo dun sa isang case. Yung absolute value ng something greater than k or greater than equal to k. Actually, pareha lang halos yung rule. So, when it is greater than k, so ibig sabihin yung nasa loob is less than negative k or yung nasa loob is greater than k. So, ibig sabihin ng or, pagko-combine mo yung solution set nito sa solution set nito. Or geometrically, yung e mo is somewhere in here or here. Ito means andito siya. Ito means andito siya. Si e. At pagsasamahin mo yon. At kapag may bar dito, lalagyan mo lahat yan ng bar. Which is exactly ito. Or ito means andito siya or ito, andito siya or ito. So, gawa tayo ng example. Susulat ko lang yung rule. So, absolute value of E is greater than K. It means E is less than equal to negative K or E is greater than equal to K. Okay. Lagyan natin ng equal sign. Kailangan K ay positive or greater than 0. So, gawin natin ito. So, anong lalabas dito? Ito yung E natin. So, 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to negative 4. At yung conjunction na or. Important yung conjunction. Greater than equal to 4. Ginaya lang natin ito. And then solve for x lang, for each. Ilan ito? 5. So, x is greater than 5 over 2. Kapag sinabing or, pagsasamahin yung solution, union yon. Union of the solution set of this, union of the solution set of this. So, let us draw our number lines. So, x is less than equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay. So, sino mas malaki? Si 5 over 2, no? So, yung nauna, less than equal to negative 3 over 2, nasaan yun? Yung isa naman, mas malaki sa 5 over 2. At, or equal sa 5 over 2. So, pag pinag-union mo yan, the solution set is negative 3 over 2. Negative infinity. Negative 3 over 2 close union. 5 over 2 to infinity. Kopyahin ko lang to. Okay, so last example na tayo. So yung may rational na absolute value naman. And let us find all real values of x that satisfy this. So the form is absolute value of something is greater than equal to 2. At meron tayong rule doon, whenever you see this, absolute value of e is greater than equal to k, that means e is greater than equal to k, or e is less than or equal to negative k, where k is a positive real number. So magiging dalawang inequalities ito. Ito yung e natin. So we get x plus 1 over x minus 1 greater than equal to 2, or naglalaan ako ng space kasi dalawang solution ang gagawin natin. So less than or equal to negative 2. So dalawang inequalities yan. So solve natin pareha, and then the final answer will be the union of the solution set of these two inequalities. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng OR dito. So gawin natin isa-isa. Let us solve individually. Ito muna. Lipat si 2. We get x plus 1 over x minus 1 minus 2. Tapos, combine the fraction greater than equal to 0. Ano makukuha natin? Distribute ko na lang si negative 2. Negative 2x plus 2 over x minus 1. Tapos, this is negative x plus 3 over x minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Tapos, ito na yung inequality na gagawa natin ng table, right? So, let us find the critical numbers. Numbers that will make the numerator 0, denominator 0. In this case, you have 3. In the denominator, you have 1. Gawa tayo ng table. Ito yung favorite part ko, gumagawa ng table. So, 1, 3, you have negative x plus 3, x minus 1, tapos, per row ang gawaan. No? So, ito 0. Positive siguro siya dito. Try 0. Positive, positive, negative. 0 dito. Negative, positive, positive. And then, x minus 1 is 0. The denominator is 0. So, in this part, at x equal to 1, this expression is undefined. When x is 3, negative x plus 3 is 0. So, 0 over non-0 is 0. Pero ang gusto mo lang, kung saan siya greater than equal to 0, which is this interval. Hindi kasali yung 1. So, 1 to 3, not including 1. So, the solution set for this part lang ay 1 to 3, hindi kasali si 1. Kaya parenthesis yung kay 1. And then we will do the same doon sa sunod na inequality natin. So we get x plus 1 over x minus 1. Lipat natin sa kaliwa si negative 2 and then combine as a single fraction. X plus 1, let us distribute. Lalabas. And then combine 3x minus 1 over x minus 1. Tapos ganun ulit. What are the critical numbers? For the numerator, 1/3. Denominator, 1. Table ulit. ng pinaka-favorite part ko. 1/3, 1, lista yung factors dito sa gilid. Tapos, mga vertical lines. Per row natin gagawin. When x is 1/3, this is 0. So, test point, let's try x equal to 0 here. 0 minus 1 is negative. Dito naman, sa second row, when x is 1, x minus 1 is 0. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng test point lang na when x is 0, 0 minus 1 is negative. So, negative yun, tas positive pagtawid. So, lalabas positive, negative, positive. When x is 1/3, the numerator is 0. When x is 1, the denominator is 0. So, undefined yung expression na to. Pero gusto mo doon lang sa kung saan siya less than or equal to 0, meaning from 1/3 to 1, not including 1. So the solution set for this inequality is 1/3 kasama siya and then 1. Okay, so nagawa na natin yung tag-isa. And now, to find the solution set of this absolute value inequality, you have to get the union of the solution set. Kasi or yung conjunction natin dito. Kapag or ang conjunction, you get the union. So the solution set for absolute value ni x plus 1 over x minus 1 greater than equal to 2 is union of this. Sulat ko na lang ganyan. Okay. Ano ba itsura nun sa number line? So, andito si 1/3, 1/3. So, hindi kasali si 1. Bale, ganito itsura ng solution set mo. Yung interval na 1/3 to 3, pero hindi kasali si 1. So, dyan nagtatapos yung lesson natin sa inequalities with absolute values. Goodbye and take care!